My name is Satish and we are from Yantra Software Private Limited. We are a Hyderabad-based company in India and also headquartered in New Jersey, US. What we actually do is we are one of the specialized companies working on speech technologies for Indian languages, where you can have speech recognition system as well as text-to-speech systems which can be used on any platform, as and when we actually need it, especially for the Indian languages. For instance, there has been a lot of requirement, especially for the Indian languages, from like how we seen around the world. We have a lot of foreign languages, speech recognition, text-to-speech systems and all that. Now, not many companies actually work for a similar thing in Indian languages. And we are one of the companies front runners who actually have text-to-speech systems for Indian languages. Currently, we've come up with about 5 different languages, which include something like Indian English, your Hindi, your Telugu, Tamil and Kannada, and we are also working on releasing other languages shortly. What we actually do in this particular product is you can actually integrate that to an online real-time IVR system like how you have for a customer care, especially with telecommunication systems like your carriers, mobile networks, your phone banking systems for banks, other rural departments like your traders market, your farmers market, where people are not that competent enough to use touchstone phones and understand and get information. Where rather what we actually do is enable such kind of requirements into speech mode and then come back to these people who don't normally use touchtone phones, and we actually talk to them in their own language, which means any products, the reach is actually extended to the rural market, which is like more than 80% of India's population at this point of time. So our applications empowers any particular software or any other requirement. It can be an information kiosk where people would actually want to get information about a particular product. Could be anything from the price of a spice, the price of rice on that particular day, on that particular thing, how much they can actually sell. These are just typically one of the applications. The possibilities are actually endless. So that way, what we are doing is working with a lot of companies, trying up integrating systems over IVR, over desktop systems, over web kiosk, information kiosk, and any other embedded system.